Hello mga ka-CH, nandito pa rin tayo sa Santo Tomas, Batangas. So, we're gonna show you this massive model unit ng Aquinas Residence. Alam nyo ba yung Aquinas Residence is malapit lang siya sa SM Santo Tomas. Mga 6 minutes, nandun ka na. So, mga 1 kilometer. Ayan, tapos malapit din siya sa Santo Tomas Hospital, yung ginagawang bagong hospital, and SNR. So, ano pang hinihintay natin? Let's start the tour. My name is Harold and this is Sage Property. So mga ka-CH, ito yung maging front design ng Gloria Model Unit. May corner window siya and as you can see, yung ano niya, yung wooden design niya, pero hindi siya wood, is made up of precast. So ito yung carport nyo and this area will be serving as your garden. Papunta siya sa service area nyo. Ayan no. So guys, pasok tayo dito sa model unit ng Gloria. Tara. So as we enter sa Gloria Model Unit, ito yung door niya, made of mahogany, solid na solid yan. And meron tayong one tempered solid window. Spacious yung living area niya. We got the entertainment area right here. Pwede nyo i-place yung TV nyo. So beside nung entertainment area nyo, meron pa siyang glass door here or sliding door. Pwede nyong gawing ganito yung ano nyo, yung living area nyo. And beside living area, nandito yung dining area. 4 person, kasha. Ayan. Tapos, pwede nyo rin gawing design yung dining area na may wood panel. Tapos, meron din siyang door papuntang ayan, dirty kitchen o kaya yung laundry, yung service area nyo. So, this dining area, tabi niya rin yung kitchen. Tara. This will be your kitchen. Pwede nyo siyang i-design like this. May under cabinet, tapos may sink na. Nandito yung electronic cooktop natin. Ayan, i-design like this. Tapos, range hood. Meron din tayong cabinets and shelves. So, this ground floor has 1 toilet and bath. Ayan. 1 toilet and bath with shower set, sink, and bowl. Ayan. This model unit has lot area of 72 square meter. Tapos, depende pa rin siya eh. Pwede siyang lumaki, ayan. Tapos yung floor area niya is 58 square meter. And we have 3 bedroom, 2 toilet and bath, and carport. So guys, pumunta tayo sa second floor. Itong stair natin, made of precast din. So sobrang tibay niya. So sa second floor natin, we have 3 bedrooms and 1 toilet and bath. So tara. So pumunta tayo sa first bedroom. Ayan. Double decker yung ginawa nila dito. So, ito yung first bedroom natin. Mayroon pa rin siyang study table and accommodation for aircon with 1 cabinet. So, sa second bedroom natin, meron single bed. Then, may cabinet din. Tapos, may pa rin siya, study area, working table. Kasya pa rin, no? Na-maximize nila yung space. So, we're going now to the master bedroom. So, here's the master bedroom. May spacious bed tayo. And, ito yung nakita natin doon sa front. Corner window. Meron siyang isa pang window. And, so basically, 3 yung window niya. Sa umaga, it will give a natural light. Tapos, meron din siyang working table. Ito yung ano nila, working table area. Tapos may one cabinet, big cabinet. Ayan. Hindi siya na-open. So, meron din siyang accommodation for aircon. Ayan. Pwede nyo ipa-design yung ano, yung ceiling na like this. Yung ceiling kasi natin is precast din. So concrete siya. Yan. So pupunta tayo ngayon sa one toilet and bath. So ang last na itutur natin is yung toilet and bath. So ayan, pwedeng siyang ipa-design like this. Kung magpapagawa kayo ng toilet and bath nyo. Yan, ganitong kulay, ganitong design. So, yun. So, ito na yung Gloria model unit. And balik tayo sa ground floor. This property has floor area of 58 square meter, a lot area of 72 square meter with 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, and 2 vehicle carport. So, if you want this property, just contact CH Property on this details below, and you can contact me right here on my email, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe and follow us on social media pages. So guys, see you on the next house tour. I'm your host, Harold Alcedo.